Gursimran, very good morning to you. Very important place where you are right now reporting from. This is where the BJP state chief there, Ravinder Raina, is facing the PDP and the NC. Take us through the latest details. Go ahead.
Yes, right now we are in the Lambedi area of the Nowshera where the BJP state chief Ravinder Raina is contesting from. This is going to be a high-profile seat, and I'll request Sarjeevan to keep showing you the visuals that close to the line of control where we are reporting, the security has been beefed up, and it is the BJP state chief Ravinder Raina who has arrived to cast his vote. I'll request Sarjeevan to show you the visuals that Ravinder Raina has arrived to cast his vote at his polling station. This is his village, Lambedi village, from where he is, and now in a couple of minutes time from now, Ravinder Raina, since he has arrived, he is going to cast his vote. This is going to be a high-stake battle for the Bharatiya Janata Party because it is not going to be an easy run for even the BJP chief. His ticket was announced in the start of this month. He got somewhere close to 4 weeks to campaign, and now as he has arrived to cast his vote, the major challenge continues to be from the National Conference that has given ticket to the Surinder Chaudhary, who was against Ravinder Raina in 2014 as well, when Ravinder Raina won this seat for the first time as a BJP candidate. Now Ravinder Raina is once again here showing a victory symbol, and this is going to be very important for the BJP because BJP, which is eyeing to form government in Jammu and Kashmir, their chief is contesting here. This seat has the majority of the Hindu population, though the difference continues to be between that how the BJP will be able another vote. If we speak of total of the 11 seats that are in the Jammu, 3 are in the Poonch, 3 are in Riyasi, and 5 are in the Rajouri district, which is the home district of the BJP state chief. If we speak of the overall dynamics of the seat, out of these 11s, BJP is eyeing if they can perform well and cross the halfway mark. Now the BJP state chief Ravinder Raina has lined up, and as we speak, Ravinder Raina is with us. We are continuously showing you the visuals because if we speak of overall scenario, these 11 seats, they hold significance for the BJP because first 8 seats out of that, BJP is also eyeing to win the 50% that have gone for the first phase of the polls. If we speak of the second phase that has 11 seats, BJP is eyeing the same. If we speak of the third phase, that is going to be very crucial. But this time, if we speak, Ravinder Raina, though is maintaining a silence, he is saying that he will speak only after casting his vote. Yes, if we speak of the overall security arrangements, I'll request Sarjeevan to show you a 360-degree view because this place is close to the line of control. Because on the other side, if Sarjeevan can zoom to that side, you will see the Indo-Pakistan line of control. And this area has always been prone to the Pakistani shelling, but the way the people have come out in the large numbers and also the security arrangements that have been made, this shows that the Election Commission has done the preparations well. Now coming to the overall scenario of the elections, this phase, the second phase, is said to be the phase of the chiefs because it is the, not only the Apni Party chief but also the Congress and the BJP chief, those who are contesting polls this time, those who are in fray this time. And apart from this, this also is going to shift the elections in the Jammu region to the plains from the hills because first it was the Doda Kishtwar Ramban, now it is Riyasi, Rajouri and the Poonch, and the third phase will be completely focusing on the plains where the BJP stronghold is considered because last time also BJP won more than 70% of the seats from the plains, and that was the sole reasons that they were in a position to form the government with the PDP. This time also BJP is eyeing a 35 plus seats motto that they are taking along with them so that they can reach that place. But for now, it's the BJP chief who has lined up in the queues to cast his vote. He is waiting to cast his vote. In a couple of minutes from now, Ravinder Raina will be casting his vote. If we speak of the 2014 elections, it was the BJP versus PDP candidate, though continues to be same this time, but he is from the National Conference. BJP won this seat by a margin of 10,000 votes, a total of 10,000 votes the BJP won this seat from. And now if we, I'll request Sarjeevan to show you the visuals that the people are casting their votes. They are coming in the large numbers to cast their vote. These visuals that you are seeing from the ground zero, Sarjeevan is showing you these visuals.
रविंद्र जी क्या कहेंगे, पहला सुबह वोट डालने के लिए सुबह सुबह पहुंचे हैं?
हमारे लोकतंत्र का ये शानदार पर्व है। जम्मू कश्मीर में विधानसभा चुनावों के लिए मतदान का आज दूसरा चरण है और सुबह से ही लंबी लंबी कतारें पोलिंग स्टेशंस के बाहर नजर आ रही हैं। नौशहरा विधानसभा क्षेत्र से भारतीय जनता पार्टी के उम्मीदवार के नाते मैं स्वयं मैदान में हूं और आप देख रहे हैं कि नौशहरा जो कि बॉर्डर का एरिया है, LOC से सटी हुई सारी ये विधानसभा है। सुबह से ही भारी संख्या में मतदाता घरों से बाहर निकले हैं मतदान करने। मुझे विश्वास है जो पिछले 10 वर्षों में हमारे देश के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्रद्धेय नरेंद्र मोदी साहब और हमारे माननीय गृह मंत्री श्रद्धेय अमित शाह साहब ने जिस प्रकार जम्मू कश्मीर में अमन, शांति, खुशहाली, भाईचारा मजबूत किया है, जम्मू कश्मीर में विकास कार्यों में नई बुलंदियां छुई हैं, जम्मू कश्मीर में गरीब कल्याण की योजनाएं, आम जनमानस की भलाई मोदी साहब ने की है और हम देख रहे हैं ये उसी का नतीजा है कि आज जम्मू कश्मीर का हर मतदाता उत्साहित है और मुझे भी पूरा विश्वास है कि प्रचंड बहुमत से जम्मू कश्मीर में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की जीत होगी, पूरे जम्मू कश्मीर में बीजेपी की जीत होगी और नौशहरा से भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी जीतेगी। देखिए, राजनीति में जो ताकत है वो जनता के हाथ में होती है, जनता जनार्दन होती है, जनता का जो भी फैसला होता है उसी से ही सरकारें बनती हैं और मुझे विश्वास है कि पिछले 10 वर्षों में जिस प्रकार प्रधानमंत्री मोदी साहब और माननीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह साहब ने जम्मू कश्मीर के साथ साथ नौशहरा विधानसभा इस बॉर्डर के एरिया में भी जो डेवलपमेंट के काम हुए हैं, बॉर्डर के ऊपर बंकर्स बने हैं, गांव में सड़कें, स्कूल, हॉस्पिटल, बिजली, पानी, उसकी व्यवस्थाएं ठीक हुई हैं और सबसे बड़ी बात जम्मू कश्मीर में अमन, शांति, खुशहाली और भाईचारा मजबूत हुआ है। यकीनन नौशहरा की जनता भारतीय जनता पार्टी को प्रचंड बहुमत से ये सीट विजयी बनाने में अपना आशीर्वाद देगी। जम्मू कश्मीर में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी। जम्मू कश्मीर में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार हो।
पहला हिंदू मुख्यमंत्री होगा क्या? आप
कश्मीर से
हिमायत करते रहे।
कश्मीर में भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की जीत होगी। मुख्यमंत्री कौन होगा, कौन नहीं होगा, इसका निर्णय बाद में होगा। अभी हमारी जनता जनार्दन के बीच में ये निवेदन है, प्रार्थना है।
BJP seems to be very confident.